Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Baseus Storm 3 earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. So to do this, we have to first of all input both earbuds inside this charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes, and also remember to simply disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Then you have to open this charging case and remove left and also the right earbud. Right now on your iOS device you have to open the settings, open the Bluetooth, then turn it on, and now from the devices list you have to select your Baseus Storm 3. As you can see right now we are successfully connected. At the end you can also download the Baseus application, so we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to type Baseus here and get this application. You have to download it. Accept the permissions that will pop on your screen. Then you have to click to add device, but for some reason I have here the other device. I'm gonna actually get rid of that, and then we have to click to add device. It is looking for our Storm 3, so click on them once, tap to add device, click OK, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.